This video will show you how to log into Google Classroom at home.
First, you need to log into a browser like Google Chrome or Firefox.
Then you need to go into google.com.
At the top right-hand corner, you will find a sign in.
Once you click sign in, it will look something like this.
Make sure you sign in with your school account.
It will be your first name and last name initial at cpds.school.nz.
Make sure it is not Gmail. It has to be cpds.school.nz.
After you finish putting in your email, you press next and it will tell you to enter your password. Only you know your password and don't tell anyone else.
Once you typed in your password, it will show you over here.
To get into Google Classroom, you would have to press on the 9 blocks over here.
Once you press the 9 blocks, it will show you Google Classroom. You will have to press on Classroom.
Then you would have to choose your classroom.
Down up here, you will find what is coming up.
You can find different topics to do over here. You can open the topic over here. You can add a class comment over here.
Once you have completed the task, you can press mark as done or hand in.
Now you know how to log into Google Classroom from home.
Thank you for watching.